The Mickey Mouse Club Hall of Fame! Each week, the Mickey Mouse Club scans the globe, looking for kids who do really cool stuff, and presents them with the club's top honor, the Mickey Award.
Today's first Hall of Fame honorees are twins who share a common goal to carry on the family tradition.
16-year-olds Cody and Holly Biagini live on a cattle ranch in Paso Robles, California. Not only do they contribute to running the ranch, but they're also champs in a unique and unusual rodeo sport. Watch. Ranching is an important part of the history of our West, and twin sisters Cody and Holly Biagini are determined to carry on that heritage. Their day begins, yes, at 5:30 a.m. It takes dedication to care for some 1,500 head of cattle and 13 horses. Make sure you get Ben's pin and I'll get Spider's, okay? And hurry up because we have to go to school on time. All right. This is a day in the life of Cody and Holly. A look at what it means to live on a 2,000-acre ranch, and it's mostly hard work. Before this day is through, they will complete their chores, put in a full day at school, and still have time to practice their championship form in a wild rodeo event.
It teaches you self-discipline. When you have to get up in the morning and you have to feed somebody else before you feed yourself, I mean, it's saying, gosh, you know, you're taking care of something else before you're taking care of yourself. I mean, you really care about the certain animals and stuff. Super. What are you doing? Come on, John D.
Cody and Holly start their day with the care and feeding of their horses.
Our relationships with our horses is like we're mom and their baby, you know, and we take care of them as a mom would take care of their baby. And we talk to them, and we feed them, and we brush them, and we wash them, and we do that before we do things for ourselves.
The Biagini family is in the business of raising beef cattle. To make it work, everyone, Holly and Cody included, must carry their weight as ranch hands. Here, they help drive the cattle to holding pens for routine inspection.
Hey, cattle, hey, cattle.
Just because Holly and Cody live and work on a ranch doesn't mean they don't have fun. To escape the rigors of ranch work, they take to the basketball court. They're standouts on their school team.
We just love to play sports, and we like being part of a team of some kind, and we just have really fun times, and we learn how to cope with one another and just who you really are inside. Solid running, guys.
This value on teamwork has served Holly and Cody well. They are championship team penners. In fact, Cody is the national junior champ. What exactly is team penning? Try and follow this. 30 numbered cows are in a pen. 3 are marked with the same number. The people on horseback must find and corral those 3 cows into pens on opposite sides of the ring, all in 1.5 minutes.
We're so used to each other and so used to what our horses are going to be doing. We know, you know, well, that person's going that way and this person's going that way and stuff. Trust has a lot to do with it. If you don't trust your partner, then you can't go that far. She's going to get the job done and we're going to do good. Holly.
Holly and Cody are unsung heroes. They work hard, study hard, and play hard, while quietly contributing to the quality of life for you and me. They feel lucky to have the gifts of nature, the strength of family, and the love of each other.
We're just so close and stuff, you know, and I don't know, nobody can break us. I mean, they could try and they can sit and pull us apart, but I mean, our bond is so strong that, you know, we're just so close.
Cody and Holly, welcome into our Hall of Fame. Our next Hall of Fame honorees are 10-year-old Maya Folk and 11-year-old Lawrence Lee.
Maya and Lawrence are national Wushu champions. Wushu is a Chinese form of martial arts, which combines different styles of kung fu with gymnastics and acrobatics.
Together, Maya and Lawrence have earned a total of more than 50 first-place titles, and together they're here to demonstrate the excitement of Wushu.
Please welcome Maya Folk and Lawrence Lee.
Great, guys.
My and Lawrence, that was really terrific. Now, how many years have each of you been studying Wushu?
Well, I started martial arts when I was 4, and for the last 2.5 of those years, I've been training Wushu.
Well, I haven't had any background in any other martial arts, but I started when I was 9 and now I'm 11, so that's 2.5 years.
All right. Now, is Wushu used more as self-defense, or is it more artistic?
Nowadays it's more artistic, but back in the old days it was for self-defense.
And it can definitely help keep you fit.
Would you like to demonstrate one of your techniques used in Wushu?
Sure. We keep it simple and do the open pose. First you step out with your right foot at 45 degrees, cross your wrists. Then you spread your arms, wrists bent, and tuck your left leg in. After that you snap your left foot out, flick your wrists, and raise your right arm.
And now we're going to do it fast.
In regular form speed. Ready? Go.
Great, guys. Thanks a lot. We wish you lots of luck and success in the future. But before we do that, we'd like to welcome you to the Mickey Mouse Club Hall of Fame by presenting you these Mickey Awards. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. If you or someone you know does something really neat, tell us about it. Write to Hall of Fame, Mickey Mouse Club, Disney MGM Studios, P.O. Box 10200, Lake Buena Vista, Florida, 32830.